Hey guys, what's up? I'm Brian with Fisher's Off-Road, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the Defender and Defender Max glass flip-up windshield. Now this is the mechanical one with the handle. You have three different positions. You have closed, open just a little bit, and then open all the way. This is not the power flip windshield. So here we go. We're going to jump in here and get it started. We have our directions here with all of our parts listed. Here's our hardware, handle support, our handle, and our gas shocks to hold the windshield up when you're going down the trail. The first thing we're going to do is put our handle support on here, and it goes on the front and it fits right in there. And one of the things you'll notice about all BRP Can-Am products is they have some little dimples where you put your accessories. Wherever one of those little dimples are, there's an accessory that's going to fit into that. So what we'll do, it tells us to take an 1/8 inch drill bit, drill a pilot hole there, and then we can put our screw in. We're going to remove the bolts to the roof now. We're going to take 3 of these out, one on each end and then one in the middle. And I'd recommend, if you have a mirror on your Defender, take it off to take this bolt out and to do this. Or if you're going to put a mirror on, do this first and then put the mirror on. Now what we'll do is we'll prop the roof up so you don't have to take it the whole way off. Just in the front, you take the bolts out, and then we'll prop it up with the packing that came with the windshield. When you're mounting the windshield, it's not too heavy, but you may want to get someone to help you out. All you have to do is lift your windshield up, put your 2 tabs on the top of the metal part of the cage and bolt them in, and make sure it's even from left to right so that you get a good seal on your A-pillars. Now we'll get our handle put on there onto the windshield bracket, and this is what's going to go into the handle support. So that way that'll hold the windshield up like that if you want, or if you close it, you can lock it. You want to take this handle down to where it's about snug, and then you want to line it up and put it where you want it, and then you want to tighten it up. There we go, that's a perfect fit. One of the last steps to the install is the gas shocks that holds the windshield up, and we're going to put our ball stud into the side of this plate here attached to the A-pillar. So we're just going to bring this over here, and it goes in right like that. Now we'll go ahead and install our gas shocks. Put this big part up top, and then put this lower part of the shock down here at the bottom. We'll bring it up, spin it around, we'll push it on. Well, there you go, guys. I hope that helps you out if you're planning on putting this glass flip-up windshield in your Defender. The nice thing about this windshield is it is glass. It's not going to scratch very easy. You can add the wiper kit to it, and it's a flip-up windshield, so if it's cold and rainy, you close it all the way. If you want just a little bit of air, you open it 1 notch. If you want all the air, you can open that thing up all the way on the fly. To me, that's what makes a great windshield, and those are the qualities I look for in a windshield for my side-by-side. You can get this online at BRP or any of the other retail outlets out there that offer these. So that's it, guys. Hope that helps you out. Take care. Have a good one.